Hi, we're going to show you how to make Swedish coffee. We need some firewood, we need a knife, birch bark, coffee cup, coffee pan, and coffee. And then of course a fire pit. The reason why we use birch bark is it contains natural oil that burns really well. Take some of these thicker pieces that's already been burned once before and just stuff them on the side like that. Do like that, we'll put them here. We'll make a couple or 3 of those matches, solstickan. And if you've done it all right, you only need 1. And the way I've been taught to do it is to build it like this. And then the second round, we'll do it like that. The reason why we build it like this is so that we can put our coffee kettle on top. While this is burning, we'll bring out our coffee kettle and we'll fill it with water from the river, of course. Now we got water in the kettle and we'll bring it right on the center here. Now we need to wait for the water to boil. That's gonna take 5-6 minutes. In the meantime, we might as well see if we can spot a salmon or 2. These are quite usual. Most of us have them. They're made of reindeer skin, of course. And in there we have our coffee. Roughly grind it, and you need to fill it so that a half-fat forest mouse can just walk over. Then it's about right. The last thing we have to do before we can drink our coffee, and that's to get the coffee grind to sink. The normal way to do is put it back over the fire, boil it up, and it will sink. If you don't have time to wait, I got a neat little trick for you. Pop the lid back on, and then we're gonna take this one for a swing. All right, cheers guys. Welcome to Sweden.